Hello guys, let's make Christmas ornaments with the ice cream sticks. We are going to make star, yes, with the help of Fevicol. Stick these two ice cream sticks, then put another stick on both of the sticks, and now stick with them with Fevicol. Let's see, and you also make this beautiful Christmas star. Yes, this is very simple. You only have to observe how to place these sticks on one another. Once you are able to adjust the position of the sticks, then it's easy for you. So let's see and let's make. Let it dry.
Okay, now it's done. Then apply the layer of gesso. Yes, because when you are going to paint the acrylic colors, first you have to put the gesso colors. First you have to put the layer of gesso. Yes, but here I am painting it with simple poster colors. Guys, I just want the matte finish, so I am using poster colors instead of the acrylic colors. Yes, I'm very excited for the Christmas because I just want to make these beautiful crafts. Actually, I am from India, but I am very excited for the Christmas. It's almost done, guys. Okay, now stick one small thread for the hanging. Merry Christmas, guys. Enjoy. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification icon for more interesting videos. Please like, share and comment. Bye guys. Merry Christmas.